This video not sponsored by Zeiss. This video not sponsored by Sony. But everybody know this camera design is from Sony. This smartphone not this video not sponsored by Xperia. Yes, but just Sony have hardware shutter button. Oh, just phone have a headphone jack. And just phone is 21 by 9. Yes guys, today we unboxing this good, beautiful phone. Camera is very good, display is very good. This telephone I feel very good in hand. I like this telephone. Hi guys, I'm not Sony fan. Okay, I'm Sony fan, but this time really I think to change to another smartphone brand, Android smartphone brand. For example, Samsung or Google Pixel 7, but I use a micro SD card. I like use micro SD card. This another brand have not place to micro SD card, and I go again to Sony smartphones, but I found this phone for $900. This is half price. $1,800. This is very expensive. Really, this is very expensive. But $900 for this phone. This is very good offer for me. Charger USB power delivery 30 watt, very good, and USB cable type C to type C. This is really big camera. I feel very good in hand. This very nice texture. Zeiss lens. This is our glass lens. Camera sensor. This is not smartphone sensor, this is camera sensor, a real camera sensor in body. And 4K 120 Hz per second HDR OLED display. But you sponsor this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.